Today we're going to learn how to make a flower, and you're going to need two balloons. I like to use a colored one for the flower and a green one for the stem. Doesn't matter, stem can be any color. That's just what I like to do. And if I'm doing a walk around balloon twisting at a fair, I always let the kids choose what color they want. So again, we start by stretching. Now this one, I'm going to inflate the balloon and leave about a 1-inch tail. So I watch the balloon as I inflate it, and I stop right about there. Again, a little air out of the balloon, pull the nozzle down around the thumb, and now you can see, well, it's close to 2 inches. It's okay. It's going to be easier for me to tie, because now I'm going to take the knot and squeeze it this way a little bit to soften the knot. I'm going to take the tail, and I'm going to go over and under and over, and I'm going to tie a knot, just like that. Now, if it's a granny knot and a square knot, it doesn't matter. But we're going to tie them together. And now I'm going to hold the balloon this way. Here's the knot. I'm going to push the knot into the center of the balloon like that. And then I look at it. I want to make sure that each side is just about the same size. I'll give it a twist. Let me do that again. I come in like that. I'm going to pinch right there, and I'm going to give it one twist. That's all we need. And then I fold it in half. So it's almost like wings. Now I can see one bubble's a little bigger than the other, but not by much, it's okay. And again, here's the knotted end right there. I'm going to take it again and push it inside like that, right? Just like that. And I'm going to squeeze all four. Now your hands might be a little small. It's okay, do the best you can, because now I'm going to take all four and twist around the middle. 1, 2, 3, and we have our flower. So I'm going to set that down, and I'll take out the balloon, the green one for the stem. Again, I stretch it, and I'm going to pump all the way up. This time I'm only going to leave like a 1/2 inch of tail at the end of the balloon. There we go. Again, burp the balloon, and then pull the nozzle down around the thumb and push it through the thumb. And because I got just a little bit of a tail there, about a 1/2 inch. I'm going to come up, oh, it doesn't really matter, about halfway, and I'm going to pinch and twist the balloon like this. Now, if you remember the dog, we did the easy fold over like that for the first ear. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to fold it over, and I'm going to pinch right there, and that's going to make one leaf. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Here's the tail end. This is the knotted end. That's the bottom of the balloon or the stem. This will be the top of the balloon or the top of the stem. And I'm going to fold it over right there, just like that. I fold it over, and then I'm going to pinch the balloon and the leaf, and then I'm going to take the other leaf and the bottom of the stem and twist 1, 2, 3 times. And now I have a sword, or the stem of the balloon. There's a little bit of tail left. I'm going to pinch right there, so I've got maybe a 1-inch balloon bubble. I'm going to take the flower, and I'm going to put the bubble right there, and then I'm going to take the stem and wrap the stem around the center of the balloon. 1.5 times to get it on the opposite side. And now I have a flower. And if I take this part right here and bend it a little bit like that, and I can take this part and give it a little twist like that, and now I get some shape going to my flower stem. And there you go. There is your basic flower. So practice that, and I'll see you next week.